Hello and welcome back. It's Helen Godden and we're just about there with our Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long. We're up to December 21 and we've got one leaf here to do with our green thread. I'm going to repeat that echo idea in the background, particularly because it's disrupted by that red leaf, and then I've got a different plan for us in here. So I've divided this leaf up into sections. So we've got three little bunches here of parallel lines, but now I'm going to swap it around and go the other direction. So we're literally just making a pattern that's a combination of horizontal and vertical, but it's dividing that space up, giving us a lot more interest. So there we go, that's December 21, and we have ended up making these look quite jungle-like with the zebra flames and the stripes, looking very leafy, which is, I guess, was our plan right along. So now we've only got a few sections left to go. So we've got two sections of yellow and then our last section of green. So I'll see you tomorrow for December 22. Bye-bye.